So what were the most positives that you noticed after the recovery?
Well, how I looked. I got really vain. Like every mirror I passed, I was like, wow, this is, great. And that does sound very vain, but you're going to get vain, obviously, if you see an improvement. The compliments was definitely the biggest change. I went back to work after 2 weeks and like I had little or no bruising. Um, and people were coming up saying, Jesus, you look amazing. What did you do? So nobody really knew like that I got a facelift or a neck lift or an eye lift or whatever. They were like, you look fantastic. And it was a lot of compliments. It was like,
That helped your confidence.
Oh, 100%, yeah. I even found like I was, off buying new clothes, more outfits. Whereas before that, like this has probably cost me more money because I was shopping more. Just felt brilliant. And then my daughter, who is 30, she has blonde hair as well. I noticed if we went somewhere and if I said, this is my daughter, there's no way she's your daughter. Did you have her when you were 14? And I'm like, no, it's my daughter. I thought it was your sister. Like, they're great compliments to get,
And can I be cheeky and ask you how old you are?
I am 55. Yeah.
What you feel?
Oh, I feel 30.